Hey, I'm Peter with The Verge, and we are here at Google I/O, the beautiful Shoreline Amphitheater. We're outside, and one of the things that Google announced today that I'm most excited about is something called Instant Apps. It means that you can have an app without having to go through the rigmarole of installing it. Let's go take a look. Imagine you need an app for a parking meter. You don't want to install it, that's a hassle, you're never going to use it again. But imagine there's an NFC thing here. You tap the NFC, and it instantly loads the entire app, complete with Android Pay, fully supported. You can just pay for your parking, go on your way, and you don't have an app cluttering up your drawer later. So here's another example. It's an app called Zumper, and so you click on this, you might expect a web page, but instead what happens is it loads up the Zumper app, and it's really, really responsive. So this is only the part of the app that you need, and it's full Android. So for example, I can click View on Map, and you get a Google Map experience, but with Zumper's overlay on top of it. And it's actually really impressive. Now, the one thing you can do is, if you really do like the app, you will be able to pull down a notification and install it. But for right now, if you don't want it back, you just hit the back button and the app is gone. So Instant Apps are only working with a very select few app developers right now. But other app developers can try it out, learn how to use it, and when it eventually rolls out officially, a lot of people are going to be able to use it. Now, Google actually serves these apps directly from their own servers, which is interesting. The other, just really exciting thing about Instant Apps is it kind of changes the nature of a URL. Usually when you go to a web app, doing it in the browser is kind of slow, it doesn't have access to the entire device, but an Instant App is almost as fast as a web page, if not faster than a web page, and it gives you a whole lot of app stuff that you couldn't otherwise do. So I'm really excited to see how it works, and I'm really excited to see whether or not a lot of people are going to get on board and start using it.